Hey class, take your seats. Before I begin, how was everyone's weekend? Oh, my weekend was pretty...
I had the worst weekend ever.
Oh my lord,
Didn't even get to
why
speak,
not again,
like,
man?
oh,
All the
I can't
time,
do this
all the
anymore,
time.
man.
Why is she
No,
doing
you don't
it?
understand. My life is literally the worst.
Well, I'm sure everyone wants to hear this.
No, we don't.
You want to explain why, Jalissa?
For starters, my dad got me a Porsche instead of a Bugatti. Then my mom said we were going to Cancun for the summer when I wanted to go to Italy. Then they lowered my allowance to $500 instead of $1,000. Girl, your allowance is $500 a week? What's wrong with you? I'm basically a poor person, duh. You live in a mansion and you have a Porsche. How are you poor? Don't even talk to me. I shouldn't have to speak to a poor person like you. So I guess that makes two of us, right?
Yo, what the?
I've been getting so many complaints about this. It's honestly so exhausting. Listen, I just want to say... Oh, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to Jalissa.
What?
Yeah, for bullying people for not being as rich as you, I'm suspending you for a week.
But you can't do that. My dad will sue you.
Guess what?
What?
I don't care.